Oh hi, didn't see you there. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the Blueberry Bomber Lemonade Energizer. Additionally, I'll be linking the recipe in the description below. Well, let's get right into it, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is to gather your ingredients in front of you in your kitchen. And these ingredients include water, lemon juice, sugar, coconut water, honey, lime, mint, blueberries, and ginger. Additionally, your utensils should include a pitcher, a pan, a medium-sized pot, liquid and solid measuring cups, a fork, and a sieve. A sieve is a utensil used to separate liquid and solid ingredients. First off, fill up a medium liquid measuring cup. You're going to want to get to 1/4 of a cup. Next, you're going to want to use your solid measuring cup to measure out 1/4 cup of sugar. This is important because solid and liquid measuring cups carry different amounts. Next, you're going to want to measure out 1/2 cup of blueberries. Make sure it's full to the top. Now you're going to place all 3 of these ingredients in your medium-sized pan. Now you use your fork to crush up the blueberries. You're going to put your stove on medium heat, and you're going to keep this mixture on the stove for 5 minutes. The end result is going to look a little something like this. This has been reduced, which means the liquid and solid ingredients have been separated. Now, grab the sieve utensil in a small bowl. We'll be separating the liquid and solid ingredients. After this process, you're going to keep the liquid in this bowl and set the solid aside. Now begin using a sharp knife to cut the ginger into small slivers. Do the same for the mint leaves. Finally, take the lime and cut it in half, so you get 2 equal pieces. Return to the liquid measuring cup and begin measuring out 1 full cup of lemon juice. Now, take the limes you just cut and squeeze them one at a time into the measuring cup of lemon juice. Now, take the pot and pour into it the cup of juice, the ginger, and the mint. Once again, turn on the stove and simmer for 5 minutes. Next, use the sieve and remove the ginger and the mint from the pot. Now, take your honey and pour 3 tablespoons into the blueberry reduction. Now, take this bowl and pour it into the lemon juice mixture over the stove. After this process, you can now begin adding ice cubes to your pitcher. Now you can pour 1 cup of cold water into the same pitcher. And then, according to your taste, anywhere from 2 to 3 cups of coconut water. Now, pick up the pot and transfer the contents into a small bowl. Transfer this bowl into the pitcher. Finally, put the lid on the pitcher and place it into the fridge to chill. You're now ready to pour the juice into your favorite glass and enjoy.